This is the Ratchet compression tool for RG58, RG59, and RG6 cable for use with F-type, BNC, and RCA connectors. There are interchangeable die sets allowing you to terminate F-type, BNC, and RCA compression connectors all with the same tool. It utilizes a one-cycle full ratchet mechanism, ensuring a reliable termination, and has a built-in cable cutter for maximum usability. Compatible with RG58, RG59, and RG6 cable, it is capable of terminating F-type, BNC, and RCA connections. The Ratchet compression tool is a quick and easy solution for all your coaxial projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.